Hey there, space explorers. Welcome to Astro Buddy's space adventure. Today we're blasting off to explore our solar system. Buckle up your seatbelts, kids. 3, 2, 1, blast off. Whoa, look at that huge fiery ball. That's the sun. It's the boss of our solar system. The sun keeps all the planets together just like glue. And guess what? It's super hot. So hot you could toast marshmallows from 1,000,000 miles away. Yum! But don't get too close or you'll be toast too. First stop, Mercury. It's the tiniest planet and closest to the sun. Mercury loves it hot. But at night, it gets super cold, like a freezer. Poor Mercury can't decide if it wants to be hot or cold. Bruh. Next up, Venus. It's kind of like Earth's twin because it's almost the same size. But don't be fooled. Venus is covered in thick clouds that make it the hottest planet. It's like a giant oven. Phew! Somebody turn on the AC. And here's our home sweet home, Earth. Earth is super special because it has water, plants, animals, and you. Give Earth a big wave. Hi, Earth! Now, let's meet Mars, the red planet. It's red because it's covered in rust. Yep, like an old bicycle. Mars also has the biggest volcano in the solar system. Boom! Imagine making the world's biggest s'mores there. Yum! Whoa, watch out for the asteroid belt. It's like a giant space highway full of rocky traffic. Beep, beep! Hold on tight. We're flying past Jupiter, the biggest planet. It's so big, all the other planets could fit inside it. And see that giant red spot? It's a storm that's been raging for hundreds of years. Imagine if your kite got stuck in that wind. Yikes! Oh, look at Saturn and its rings. Aren't they fancy? Saturn's rings are made of ice and rock. It's like Saturn is having a space party and wearing its sparkliest necklace. Next is Uranus. This planet rolls on its side like a lazy beach ball. It's super chilly here. Brr! Anyone up for an ice skating party? And finally, we've reached Neptune, the windiest planet. Its winds are so strong they could blow all your toys across the galaxy. Hold on to your hats, kids. Phew, what an adventure! Let's count all the planets we visited. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. That's 8 planets spinning around the sun, just like a big family. Time to head home, explorers. Don't forget, space is full of amazing things to learn and discover. Until next time, keep dreaming big and reaching for the stars. Bye-bye.